Okay, now we are going to see that how to create a strong password with the help of one tool, which is password gen, in short Pwgen. If you don't have this, to install this, you need to type apt, then Pwgen. Okay, once you are done with that, call Pwgen, okay, password generator. If you directly hit enter now, you will be getting a random passwords. Okay, these are random passwords. Now what we are going to do is I need to create a strong password. So okay, before going ahead, let's discuss about the features what we are having with Fusion password generator. So see, we have the options like -c for capitalize, then -a for non-capitalize, -n for numericals. Okay, include at least one numeric number. Okay, then -o means no numericals. Then we have -y for symbols, -r for characteristics or remove characteristics. Okay. Then under passwords, we have -s for secure, generate completely random passwords, -b for ambiguous, don't include ambiguous characters in the password. Then -h already I've utilized -l or h for the help. Then we have -c for print the generated passwords in columns. And at the end, we have -1 and -v for like do not printing or vowels, using the vowels or avoid accidental nasty words like such. Okay, so that's the only reason we will be using -v. Now let's create a password. I'll be calling option S. I'll be also calling option Y for symbols. Then I want my password total character, like total length should be, let's take 15, and total number of passwords should be 10. Okay, so first 15 means total characters of the password, then 10 means total generate me 10 passwords, unique passwords. See, Fusion already generated first password as this. Caps lock is there, VD underscore, then symbol, then a percent is there. So this is a fully encrypted password and the most secure one. Now if you want to generate approx 100 passwords, you can directly generate. See, these are top 100 passwords. All are unique, secure, and you can use this password anywhere, whenever you want to use. I hope you might have seen, let me clear this. You might have seen in any browser, whether it's Google Chrome or Firefox, when you are about to create a profile on any xyz.com, there from browser side you are getting like unique password, already a password has been generated. So on in the same manner, browser is also working. It's having some kind of program at the backend which helps the browser to generate unique passwords, or passwords are different. Not a single password will be getting similar to the older one or similar to the earlier one. All are unique in nature. So with the help of Pew generator also, you can go ahead and you can generate multiple passwords based on your choice. Another is, if only Fusion and without any options, you go ahead with 10 characters. 10 is the weakest one, so I'm again taking 15 characters and 5 passwords. See, these are normal passwords, yet strong enough. These are actually normal passwords, but yet these are the strong, because here you have lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and character length is 15. Okay, so character length is 15 means it could take approx several years to crack this password. But what if I add symbols to make it more strong? Because as you all know, when we are creating a password, we should always use lowercase, uppercase, symbol, and numeric to make it stronger. Okay, so now we have something which can't be brute force in a normal attack. Normal attackers won't be able to brute force your password and they will be getting. Now to secure this more, go for -s option and you have the most secured passwords for you. Now if you are about to create 5 Gmail accounts, use these passwords for one by one. It's not like these are the leaked password. No, Pwgen is actually using some kind of algorithms at the back end. With the help of those algos, it is creating strong password for you. It's not like these passwords are already leaked out somewhere. No, it is not. It's a completely no. These are the things which the browser also using for us to create or to generate unique passwords. Similarly, Pew generator is also using the same thing. Okay. Now we are going to see like how to create wait, this I have created a normal pass.txt file. A password one is hello 1234 12345 1234567 hello world. So assume that for five different accounts I have created five different passwords. Now I want to secure this password file. I don't want that anyone could easily open this text file and can see all the passwords of mine. I want to secure this. I want to encrypt this. For that, you need to use GPG. It is by default present in Linux environment. Okay. Then -c and then call the the file. You need to give a password as you are encrypting this. Okay. So for my case, I'm giving only 1234 and then here also 1234. Click OK. And it's done. Now I'll be seeing a .gpg file is here. Now if I want to open .gpg, see, it is encrypted. This is in a encrypted form. Okay. Now how to decrypt? I want to I want a password from the text file. I want to see the passwords. Okay. How to? Just call gpg again, then call gpg file. Overwriting, or you need to create a new folder, new file. I am going ahead with new file because I want to leave that as it is in an encrypted way. D pass.gpg. Okay. Nano D. See, hello world 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this.